Hello everyone, how are you? I think you all are fine at home with your parents. Okay, so welcome back to our math class. Today I am going to discuss with you that is your new chapter, that is chapter 5 of your math magic book, and our topic name is what? That is numbers from 10 to 20. Okay, so numbers from 10 to 20. So for that I will show you first. Tell me students, in your hand how many fingers are there? Yes, how many? 10 fingers. So 10 fingers means in my hand there are, in my right hand there are 5 fingers, in my left hand there are 5 fingers, total become your 10 fingers. So 10 means 1 you will take, that one is telling that numbers from 10 to 20. Now we will discuss. You see, I am showing some sketch pen. You all are using at your home or not? Yes, this is the beautiful colors. Am I right or not? Yes students. So let us see how many sketch pens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is one is your 10. So students, listen, actually if it is difficult to count, that one means, so if so many things are there, that is so many sketch pens are there, you just make a bundle of 10. Okay, so that one you just, what you will do, this is what I have done. One, you see, I have put one rubber band and done. You tell me students, in this how many sketch pens are there? Yes, there are 10 sketch pens. How many? 10 sketch pens. Okay, so if, then see, in that if there are 10 sketch pens, how many loose are there? Yes, there are 2 loose. 10 sketch pens and 2 loose are there. Next I will show you student. For you I have done, this is your, tell me students what? That is your sticks. One bundle sticks I have done. That one is in one bundle. What I told? One bundle sticks contain how many? 10 sticks. Okay, so I will show you. See, these are the loose sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, tell me, this will form a bundle or not? No. What I told, in one bundle it should be 10 sticks, but here is 1, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need how many? Tell me students. You see, I am telling I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have only 6 sticks are there. So now tell me students, if I want to make it 10, then how many sticks are necessary? Yes, very good. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let us count. It is becoming 10 or not? Yes, that one is, first is just 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one is 6 plus 4 equal to 10, and it will make one bundle. Okay. So now I will show you. Have you seen this one? Your parents are using. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now 7, 8, next is your 9, next is your 10. Okay students, now tell me, this one is your 1. You see, these are how many? What is this one? These are, in this how many sticks are there? That one is your 10. Understood? 10. Okay, 10. Now next I will show you. This is your what? Mastic. You see, I am showing you mastic. Let us do in. We will first count how many? 10. So many mastics are there. So we are not able to count at we will make 10 matchstick in one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is your 7. Next is your 8. And next is your 9. Next is your 10. You see, I have done 10 matchstick. Then I am just holding 10 matchstick in my right hand. This is your 10 matchstick. I will just put a eraser, your rubber band. This one will make a what? Bundle. Understood? Okay. So now, let us see how many loose matchsticks are there. How many? You see, I am showing. Tell me, students, how many matchsticks I am showing to you? Yes, that one is only 4 matchsticks are. So I am showing to you. This is a 10. No, for this I need extra 6 matchsticks to make it 10. Okay. So now you see, here is your. Now tell me, students, here I am showing how many bundle of sticks. This is 1, this is your 2, this is 1, this is your 2. One bundle of stick is how many? 10. In second bundle of stick is how many? Also 10. So now tell me, students, 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 20. Then if another bundle I will show you. So now tell me, students, in that how many will be there? Just a minute. Okay, so tell me, students, 1, 2, 3. So 10, 20, 30. 10 and this is your 20. This is your 30. That means if, tell me, see, if one bundle has how many sticks, students? Yes, that one is your 10 sticks. Then like this, 2 bundle has, who can tell me how many sticks? Tell me. Yes, very good. That one is 10 plus 10. That one is known as your 20 sticks. Okay, if there are 3 bundles, now tell me, students, then this is your half. 3 bundles, how many? Tell me, students. Yes, that one is your 10 plus 10 plus is your 10. That one is 30 sticks, right? That one is how many? 30 sticks, right? Okay, now 110. Tell me, 110 means 1, 0. Okay. Next, 2 tens. 2 tens means you write, students, first is your 2 and for the tens you will write is your 0. Okay. Next is your 3 tens. 3 tens means 3, 0, 30. Next, 4 tens. Now tell me, students, then what will be 4 tens? Who will tell? What? 40. Very good. That one is how much? 40. So like this we can write 1 10 equal to 10, 2 tens equal to 20, 3 tens equal to 30 and 4 tens equal to how much? 40. Okay, so next you see, from this we got 1 T and is your 1 O. O means this is your ones place. Okay, and T means this is your tens place. Always you remember. Then tens place. You see, I am doing 110 and 3 ones. Now tell me, students, the number is 1, 3, 13. 110 means what I told? 10 and means plus. Then is your 3. That one is your 13. Okay, so 1 10 and 3 ones is how much? That one is your 13. So you see students, if I tell 2 bundle of sticks are there, 2 bundle of sticks. So tell me students, 2 bundle of sticks is how many sticks? Yes, that one is your 10 plus 10, that one is 20. Then if I write loose, 5 sticks are there. Okay, how many loose? Only 5 sticks are there. So now tell me students, what is the number? Yes, that is 20 plus 5, that one is 25. Okay, that one is 20 plus 5, this is your 25. Then if I write, tell me students, that one is 3 bundle of sticks. 3 bundle of sticks, that one is how much? 10 plus 10 plus 10, that one is how much? 30. Then is your loose, 4 sticks are there. Okay, so that means 30, then is your loose is how many? 4, that one is your 34 sticks. Understood students? So now you see, I have shown you different examples to show you, that is tens from numbers from 10s to 20. Okay, 1 bundle stick is your contain how many? 10 sticks. Then 2 bundle sticks will contain 20 sticks. And loose is how many? That one will be in which place? 1's place. And which one is bundle of sticks is that one? We will go to which place? 10's place. Now we can form the number 11, 12, 13. 11 means that one we can say 11 means we see. Now you will write at your copy 11 means 1 10 and 1 1. Next 12 means 1 10 and how much? 2 ones. Okay, so you see here, this is your 1's place and this is your 10's place. Okay, 1 10 and 1 1. Next is your 1 10 and is your 2 1. Next is 13 is your 1 10 and how many ones? Tell me students. Yes, that one is your 3 ones, right? Now 14, tell me students, what I'll write? Yes? Good. I'll write 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay, 1 10 and is your 4 ones, right? So our, then like this. Now tell me students, 20 what I'll write? Yes, that is your 2 10s and how many? 0 ones. Okay, so 10 to 20 we have already discussed, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, right? So, how to make a bundle from 10 to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and is your 20. So, you see, if I will write, tell me students, if I will write 15. In this, how many bundles I can make? You see, in the left hand side, which number is given, that much bundle we can do only, right? Okay, very good. That one is 1 bundle and this is your loose. Okay, then if, tell me students, if I write 23, then tell me how many bundles I can make. Who can say? Which one? Yes, very good. That one is 2 bundles and this one is your loose. Okay, 2 bundles and this one is your loose sticks. Okay, understood? So by looking the, if any number is given and anybody will ask you, then what type of bundle you can make and how many loose sticks are there, you will see the left side. What? Left side of the digit what is given, because it occupy always in which place? Tens place. So that's why we can write that one is your two bundle of sticks and is your 3 loose sticks. If I'll write, tell me students, 37. So now tell me, how many bundles I can make? How can I make how many bundles? Tell me. Yes, I can make. Tell me, that one is your 3 bundles and another is your 7 loose sticks. Okay, how many bundles? 7, your 3 bundles and 7 loose sticks, right? Okay, so all of you, how much today I have discussed with you, that is your from 10 to 20, all of you write at your home and practice, keep revising, keep learning, and thank you, bye bye and have a nice day. In next